Okay, Miss. Today we are going to do the evaluation for next week lesson. So we start from math. We can start from. So let me check. This is about.
Telechart.
Sorry.
Telechart.
Oh, check. Yeah. Okay, we start from part one.
Okay, number one, what is the main function of the telechart? B, to record data quickly. Number two, in a telechart, one vertical line represent D, one. Number three, how is the group of five tally mark written? C, number four, what does a frequency table show? B, number of times data appears. Number five, if apples appears 8 times, which tally marks are correct? C.
Yeah.
Actually, like this, the tally chart, but I cannot make this one.
There must be a cross, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
like
yeah.
this.
I see. Next part B.
A chart using lines to count items is called a tally chart. Number two, a table showing how often something appears is called a frequency table. Number three, the word that means write down information to remember it is um, record. Yes, record. Yes, sir. Record. Number
Number.
four, the word that means arrange things neatly in order is organized.
Okay.
Number five, a frequency table show how many times each time appears in a list.
Okay. Next we move to the HOTS question.
Number one, look at the tally charts below. Change the tally chart into a frequency table and determine which item has the smallest number. The smallest items is eraser. So the change the tally chart like this: pencil 7, eraser 4, and ruler 5, like that, by using number, a frequency table, and then with a list, like that.
Okay. Next.
The number of vehicles passing a school in 1 hour is bicycle 8, motorcycle is 12. Cars, make a tally charts and make a frequency table based on the data. So later the student write the tally chart like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 bicycle, and then motorcycle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one 12, yeah, 12. 12, this one. And then make one like this, like one table. Should I
Okay.
make the table?
Just make the title with the
Ya Allah.
table.
Huh?
How to make the table?
Like
What
this.
is the
To make this is tally, this is frequency, this is the name of the object, this is the
okay,
name of the
name?
object, and then this is the tally chart, this is the
Oh
frequency
yeah.
table, like that.
Okay, I got it. So just the input for this because since this one the students needs to
Easy to
draw the tally chart, right? It means
yes.
the space for the answer must be bigger than this. This one only you
Mm,
provide two line only, right?
mm,
One and two.
mm.
Since but they have to make the frequency table as well.
Oh
Maybe
yeah.
you can make it 5.
Okay, then so next.
And this one,
Also same sir. Which part?
okay. So which number is
Mm-mm.
easiest to count?
Tally charts easy for them, I think.
Okay, we just go to Mathematica then.
Oke, matematika, apa yang dimaksud dengan rusuk pada bangun ruang? B, garis lurus yang membentuk sisi bangun ruang. 2 cm kubik digunakan untuk mengukur. C, volume benda 3 dimensi. 3, kata kubik berhubungan dengan B, satuan volume untuk mengukur isi ruang. 4, ilustrasi dalam pembelajaran berfungsi untuk C, membantu memahami suatu konsep. Berikut ini merupakan istilah bangun ruang adalah rusuk.
Istilah matematika tentang bangun ruang. Oke, rusuk.
3 liter sama dengan 3000 ml, 5000 ml sama dengan 5 liter, 1 desimeter kubik sama dengan 1 liter, 2 liter sama dengan 2000 cm kubik, 750 cm kubik sama dengan 750 ml.
150 ml.
Sebuah kotak berbentuk balok memiliki 12 cm, panjang 12 cm, lebar 8 cm, dan tinggi 5 cm. Kotak manakah dan kubus memiliki 8 cm. Kotak manakah yang memiliki volume lebih besar? Jelaskan alasanmu. Jadi di sini kita cari dulu volume baloknya, yaitu 12 kali 8 dikali 5 sama dengan 6, ini 600 kali 8, 480 cm kubik. Nah, kubusnya ini volume balok, ini volume kubus. 8 kali 8 kali 8 sama dengan 64 kali 8, 2. Tuh ya, 64 kali 8, 2, 3. Ini 48, 5, 1, 2 cm kubik. Jadi yang besar adalah volume kubus. Nomor 2, sebuah kubus memiliki 216 cm kubik. Jadi untuk menghitungnya adalah kita ketahui bahwa volume kubus adalah sisi kali sisi kali sisi. Jadi untuk mengetahui lebih mudahnya, angka berapa yang jika kita kalikan 3 kali menghasilkan 216. Jadi jawabannya adalah 6. Kemudian 3, dua balok memiliki tinggi yang sama yaitu 10 cm. Balok A memiliki ukuran 8 kali 5, balok B memiliki 10 kali 4. Manakah yang paling besar volumenya? Jadi di sini kita juga cari 8 kali balok A 8 kali 5 kali 8 kali 5 kali 10 sama dengan 400 cm kubik. Sementara yang balok B sama dengan 10 kali 4 kali 10 sama dengan 400. Sehingga kedua balok memiliki ukuran yang sama besarnya. Nomor 4.
Oh ya.
45. Sebuah kubus memiliki rusuk 5. Mengapa rumus sisi kasus cocok digunakan? Karena sebuah kubus rumusnya yaitu sisi kali sisi kali sisi, sehingga volumenya adalah 215 cm ya. 15, 25 kali 5, 125 cm kubik. Nomor 5, sebuah balok memiliki 8 kali 5 kali 4. Jika tingginya 2 kali lebih tinggi, berapakah volume barunya? Jadi volume awalnya adalah 8 kali 5 kali 4 sama dengan 20 kali 4, 160 cm kubik. Volumenya yang kedua 2 kali lebih tinggi, berarti tingginya berubah menjadi 8 karena 4 kali 2 adalah 8, volume baru. 8 kali 5 kali 8 sama dengan 40 kali 8, 320. Jadi balok yang paling besar adalah balok yang ini, baru volume baloknya.
Next, we move to science.
Number 1, which object is source of light? C, the lamp. Number 2, why can we not see an object in a completely dark room? C, there is no light reaching our eyes. Number 3, which statement is correct about seeing non-light object like a bag or a book? The answer is they are seen when light is reflected into our eyes. Number 4, what is the main function of capsule endoscopy camera? B, to take picture inside the human body. Number 5, why does the capsule camera have its own light? C, to help doctor see clear image inside the body. Number 1, the telescope is a tool used to see far object clearly. 2, a microscope is a tool used to very tiny object clearly. Number 3, the word reach means to arrive at a place or a target. Number 4, the word travels mean to move from one place to another place. Number 5, microscope help us to see objects that are too small. Number 1, why is light is very important for us to see object inside our body? Because light reflects to the object and the light enter our eyes. Without light, our eyes cannot receive any image, so we cannot see the object clearly. Number 2, there is a situation when with no electricity at night. If you only have one torch and some material like aluminum foil, so which one is the how can you make the torch light brighter? So use the aluminum foil to reflect the light because aluminum foil has the shiny surface. It can reflect the light better. Number three, the capsule camera has its own light inside the body. Why is it important for the camera to have light when taking picture inside the body? Because inside our body is very dark and there is no natural light, so the capsule camera needs its own light to reflect the light to and then the camera can take the picture uh, clearly.
Okay.
Number four, the book is not like sources, but it can still be seen. Why can we see the object? We can see the book because the light around the book reflect to the book, so the light enter our eyes, so we can see the object. And after that, number five, in the picture, light from the lamp travel to the back. So when the boy's eyes,
Wait.
what will happen?
Oh yeah, this one
Number five. So the boy would not be able to see the back clearly because the light cannot reflect the light well.
Okay. So I will open the book here. Um,
Matematika
Matematika have project.
project, sir.
Oke, bisa dijelaskan terlebih dahulu, Mas. Project matematika.
Ya, proyeknya itu terdiri dari kami akan melakukan penghitungan volume dan kubus. Jadi ada terdiri dari satu grup terdiri dari 2 orang, sehingga di grup itu mereka akan mengambil beberapa kertas sehingga mereka dapat menghitung volume kubus atau volume balok sesuai dengan mereka dapatkan. Kemudian siapa yang paling cepat dan siapa yang benar, maka mereka akan mendapat poin di kelas 7 gitu.
Oke, jadi isi dari kertas itu soal.
Iya, soal untuk volume balok sama volume kubus.
Oke, soal cerita berarti ya, Miss.
Iya, so.
Oke, dapat menjelaskan project. Berarti satu pasangan grup itu
Ada 2 orang, jadi mereka bekerja sama, satu kubus, satu volume balok gitu. So.
berarti soalnya ada di satu kertas itu
Satu
ada
kertas tuh ada 2.
2 soal gitu.
Mungkin juga kasih waktu juga siapa yang paling cepat gitu kan untuk menghitung.
Okay, so I will go to math. 161 under 164. Okay, the topic is about data representation.
About tally charge and frequency table. Only this one. So 1, 2, 3, 3 pages.
Okay, it's about this tally chart. Okay, maybe we just go to this kind of question number 2.
Number 2. Okay.
Yeah.
The table below shows the sunflower and must peak in 30 days. Complete the table. So the table should be here. Tally marks. Table below that sunflower Emma peaks in 30 days. So here I will write I will ask to the students to to find 2 number that when we add all this number become 30. So here can be 9 and here can be 4. So if already find the frequency table, so it can make easier for them to create this one not balik. This is 4 and this is 9. So already found this one based on the tally mark. And after that, they just make 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. And then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. So. And
Oh
then
yeah.
for the part B, on how many days did Emma pick more than 39 sunflowers? So from 0 until 39 sunflower, uh, Emma need 15 days.
On
This
how
one,
many
15
days? On top it shows is how I am in 30 days. Complete the table. On how many am I more than? On how many days?
Kok 15 days? More than 39 yes. Yeah. Oh, on how many days did Emma
The
pick?
table below shows. Okay. The table below shows the sunflowers and a pig in 30 days. Now, very much frequency.
15 days. On how many days did Emma pick more than 39? This is, more than 39. It wrong, not 0 from 39. Sorry, sir. So this one, yeah, from this one, from more than 39. This one, it means 14 days. Kok this one? Oh, 15 days lah, true lah, sir. That's right, 15 days.
15 days. Number of sunflowers. This one 0 until 19.
He asked about how many days. So this is the days. That's right. So this is the days in 30 days.
Oh, this one 30 days.
So more than 39 sunflower. If more than 39 sunflower, it means start from 40 until 79.
So this one 15 days.
15 days kan?
15 days, okay. Complete. Yeah, this is a little bit tricky because actually I think before this is this telemarks and frequency is about the sunflowers, the amount of
No,
sunflowers.
for the days.
But this one they talk about the days. Yeah?
Yes, sir. For
Okay,
the
now
days.
part C, this one.
See from the table above, can you tell how many sunflower and picks all together convince your partner? So from 0 until this one, they can add, no need to add, I think. So become, you can see from the table that from 0 to 79, it means they get 79 sunflower.
Okay, from the table above.
How many sunflower? This one, how many?
Altogether.
They can see
0 until 19.
in 4 days.
In 4 days.
20 until 39 in 11 days. That's all. The total of the sunflower is 79.
Okay, yeah. Okay, Miss, I think we just go to the vocabulary list. Okay, Miss, now we move to the vocabulary list. I will ask from math first. We have telechart.
A telechart is a chart that use line to count items. So telechart is a simple chart that using straight line to count items. It can help the students to record data quickly.
Frequency tables.
Frequency table is a table that show how often something appears. Frequency table is a table that usually use a list that show how many times each item appears and let's
Okay. Next, record.
record is record write down information to remember it. Record means you write down something on a paper so it is not forgotten and it can be used and checked again later.
Okay. Next, we move to science. We have microscopes.
Microscope is a tool that used to see very small object clearly. Microscope is a tool that we can use to see the very small object and very tiny living things, and then making them look bigger.
Telescope.
Telescope is a tool that we use to see the object far clearly. Telescope is a tool that we can use to see the very far object clearly, like a star or the other planet, make by collecting light and making distance.
Okay. Travels.
Travels means move from one place to another place, like how light, heat, and sound travel to the surrounding.
Okay. Okay, Miss. I think that's all for our evaluation today. Thank you, Miss.